Hello, how are you? Today we are going to teach you Android development, so you don't have to be a good in development. We will take you from the zero to advanced stage in this course, so don't be worried. So in the first we will introduce to you the layout of the Android, uh, the screen, how it will build and what it contains, and how we can build a layout screen for an application, and what is the views and layouts, and what is the views we will use to make it. So we have a lot of views. As we can see, this is a schedule. um, we don't care what is it right now, but it's an application screen, so we will talk about a view. What is a view? View is a rectangle that contains text, image, or a button in the screen. So like that, this is a image view, and this is text, and this text, and this text too. So the text will be in is a text view, an image view, and we can see there is a button too. So this is the view we will learn today. Also, there are many other views, so you don't need to remember all of this. You can go to this site and you will find everything you need in the view. So you can search, or you will see here. So we can see a button. You can go from here or search from here. So when you put it, you will get a description of what a button and how to use it with a sample code. We will discuss this later, so don't be worried about it. Okay, so we have a views like that. Okay, let's take it red and size of see. Okay, so this views will write in a camel case. That means in every letter of a text will be a capital, like text view. T is capital, V is a capital, image view, image is a capital, I of the I of image is capital, view is capital too. So it's a camel case. You will use it in the layout a lot, so don't be forget it. Camel case, okay? So what is a text view? As we discussed, it displays text, image displays an image, button. It's a button, do something. Okay, when you click on it, open a new screen, call someone, or send a text like Gmail. Okay, so every view like that, text view has sorry has an attributes. Every view has its own attributes. Okay, so let's see what is it. like layout width and layout height. It's the width and height of the view, how it will be. String text text the text we will display in this view. Here it's my photo, like that. So text color, it's the color of the text we will display. Here is blue. And style, it's bold. Okay, in the image view we can say a source. Source is a source we will display in the view. As we said, here will be this view. Like I think it will be like for button 2.